All right, so today we are going to unbox the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro 3-pack. This is the new product line from Google Nest when it comes to connectivity and internet. And also we wanted to thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel, Save Green Here. If you haven't done so already, please become one of the more than 10,000 subscribers we have on our channel. Just hit that subscribe button below and we'll give you more information as more videos come out. So before we unbox it, we wanted to show what exactly it does because there are three of them. So one of them basically connects, here we go, one of them plugs directly into your internet provider's modem or gateway, and the other two expand your network to cover your whole home. How much coverage? You have 6,600 square feet of coverage with speeds up to 5.4 giga, remember, gigabits per second. And these Nest Wi-Fi Pro do not work with previous generations of Google Wi-Fi and Nest Wi-Fi. So if you have the older pods that were kind of round, they will not work together with these. They will continue working and continue to work with each other, but not with these. Just wanted you to understand that. And then over here, let's see. This has a tri-band Wi-Fi 6E. This is the newest generation of speeds to get you the highest performance and avoid congestion. You will start to see that word 6E more and more as it becomes more popular. So it's going to help with video calling, streaming, gaming, and buffering will be a thing of the past, hopefully, for many of you watching this video. And it will monitor itself and can troubleshoot and fix network problems. It does this through the app. And then through the app, you can set up your parental controls and more, all through the Google Home app. How cool is that? Automatically updates so your Wi-Fi network always stays safe and sound through the app. It's a beautiful thing. So if you're looking into getting one of these, they are the newer type of connectivity when it comes to having pods. Now, if you're using a fiber speed, which we will go more and more into that. I know recently I went over the Wi-Fi connectivity with AT&T fiber, but I'm planning to test out, and here's the back part of it. Here's the back of the box so you can take a look at it. I'm planning to test out a fiber company called Quantum Fiber. So I should be reviewing that soon. And I'm actually going to connect these guys to Quantum Fiber and see how it goes, see how it works out, see if it delivers on the promise. So upon unboxing these, let me put this plastic to the side. Let's open the box. There we are. There are the pods. Let me get the light a little bit brighter there so you can see. They are basically, I mean, the size of a whole hand, and they have the connector, so you can connect it to the wall, and they'll have another connector here to expand. Then one connector obviously is going to go to your modem or gateway. But wherever one of these pods sits, you'll have one of these plugs where you can connect an Ethernet, let's say to a TV or a computer or gaming system or an Android TV box or anything that has an Ethernet connection, so you're not connected with the Wi-Fi, you're actually connected straight to the Ethernet to the actual pod. Now, I believe they all should look the same, and they do. So any one of these can work as the master connector, if you will, and then the other two pretty much will spread the signal throughout. Now what we have right here, right below them, is the actual connectors. So they are identical, so they don't look any different. And these connectors, there's the plug. So it's not a USB-C type connector like you will see in some other pods out there. And you just basically connect it to the back and connect it to your wall. So it's pretty clear cut and dry there. And that is it. So what you would need to do after you buy these is just download the Google Home or the Google Nest app. And everything is done via the app. So you'll be able to take care of your parental controls. You'll be able to take care of, you know, what websites can be seen and not be seen if you have kids in the house and whatnot. And everything is going to be done through the app using these products. So once you have one of them connected, through the app, everything will be done as far as connectivity. So it will walk you through it. It's not going to make it difficult for you to connect these once you have them plugged in. So pretty sure that once you have it plugged in and connected, it will give you some kind of message and you can just take it from there. So just wanted to unbox it and show you guys how big they are. And actually, let me get a piece of, let me just measure it here. So about 5 inches tall and maybe about 4.5 inches wide. Now this way here, about 3 inches. So depending on perspective, if you feel that these are too big or just right or small or whatever, they do have them in different colors. So you can actually have a 3-pack where one is white, one is, I think, lemongrass or yellow, whatever, and then another one's another color. Or you can just get them all white. Or if you're just buying one, just get it one color, or two if you get them different colors. It's however you want. So if you're going to put them in different rooms and a room has a theme, like a yellow theme, you can get the lemongrass one, or you can get the other color if you have another theme in another bedroom. But anyway, just wanted to unbox it and show you guys what they look like. And the connection should be clear, cut, and dry. Once we get them connected and up and running, we will post another video on our review on the actual product and how we feel about them. So until next time, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.